How to create a media kit free in Beacon's AI. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create media kit free in Beacon's AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Beacon's AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Beacon's AI, it is an all-in-one platform designed to help creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs build and manage their online stores presence effectively. In which it is launched to simplify the process of creating professional landing pages. Beacon's AI offers tools like customizable link in bio pages, email marketing, analytics, and e-commerce integrations. And users can consolidate their social media links, showcase their work, and even sell products or services directly through their Beacon's page. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the sign up button on the top right corner in here. After signing in, you can simply enter here your username to start creating your account and also set up your password after that. And once you sign in, you will be able to be directed on this homepage of Beacon's AI, in which it will show you in the left side panel some of the options to navigate. We have here home, link in bio and website, products, marketing, analytics, sales, payouts, audience, brands, and collabs, and many more. And you could also start clicking any of these options to navigate that may help you in your creating Beacon's media kit in here. But as you can see under analytics, just click this media kit button or option in here. Upon clicking on it, it will show you in here on the right side panel that to get started or create a media kit, just click this get started now button right here. In which upon doing so, you will be able to be directed or show you this pop-up window that says setting up your media kit. And you first need to connect your analytics or your account on your Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, TikTok, and many more. Let's say I'm going to choose to connect my Twitter account in here. But if you want to skip this part, you'd also do so by clicking the skip for now button right here. But in here, you also need to add your accounts. So I'm just going to enter my username on Twitter. For example, I'm going to enter here and click the continue button. Upon clicking on it, it will show us in here that it has been getting our account statistic. And if you click this go to media kit dashboard, it will show us in here the data of number of visitors, emails collected, and email tracking in here. So basically, this media kit feature in Beacon's AI serves as a powerful tool for creators, influencers, and brands to represent a professional and comprehensive overview of their work, audience, and offerings to potential collaborators, sponsors, or partners. And on the left side panel from here, you could also navigate the traffic analytics, the sales, payouts. But to proceed, just simply go to this brand collabs section. Then click the media kits in here. Now it will show you your account that has been connected. And on the right side panel, you can start customizing the content of it. We have here the header section. And as you can see, by clicking on it, we can start adding our services, rates, authenticate our accounts, add case studies, and even choose our own design in here, such as the layout of our media kit and also the color palettes of it, including the accent background, text, and you could also select to navigate or also customize your fonts in here. Now aside from this style, you could also start customizing the permissions. To customize the permission, you could also select anyone with the link, control who can access your media kit in here. But now let's go back to the content page where we can start customizing all of the content in our media kit in here. Starting to header by simply clicking on it. You could also proceed by changing your display name in here, your location, your pronouns, and even add a content categories that you prefer. And aside from that, you could also start customizing some of the content, including the title in here that says collaborate with me. And for example, I'm going to customize this one. Instead of collaborate with me, I'm going to enter here or change it into join with me. And after that, you could also start customizing below your message. However, at this point, I'm not going to change this one. You could also enter your contact email in here if you want to. And below it will show you what the viewers will see when they try to click or the form that they will need to fill out to send you a message. You'd also enter here or choose your title about you and even your bio in here. For example, I'm going to enter here my title. I'm a social media influencer or content creator. And below here, as you can see, you could also add additional text if you want to that make describe your work purpose on creating a media kit. But for example, I'm going to enter here, click the link on my bio to get 10% off on Temu. But that is just only an example. And to save, just click the save button below here to save the changes. And now going back in here, you could also add additional kind of info such as these brand partners. You can start entering here the company name, in which it is designed to highlight a creator's past or current collaborators with brands, showcasing their experience and credibility in working with businesses. Such as in here, I'm going to enter YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platform, in which this section serves as a social proof demonstrating to potential partners that the creator has a track record or successful brand partnerships. And now if you're now done, you can now click the share button on the top right corner to save the changes. But overall, that is just basically how you can create Media Kit free in Beacon's AI. Thank you.